Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Crazy Constructions, and today we're going to be looking at copying a segment, and that's what I think is the most simplest construction. So, before we start looking at how to copy a segment, let's go over the rules of construction. So, you need only a compass and a straight edge. You can't use a ruler because you can't measure stuff with this thing, so I'm going to use this side where you can't measure, so we're just going to use it as a straight edge. And I'm also going to use a pencil. You can use the pencil on the compass for drawing lines that don't have to do with the compass, but I like using a separate pencil better. So first what we're going to do on the top half of this page is we have this line AB, and we have C here on the second line. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a point D on this line such that AB equals CD. The way you do this is really simple. You just take your tip of the compass, put it right here, and take the pencil and put it right here, and you copy this width. So now without changing anything on the compass, we put it over here, and we just draw a small arc right here. And now since we copied the segment from AB to over here, we can label this point as D, and AB is equal to CD. So like I said, this is really simple. Now we're going to do something that's a bit more complicated. So right here we have two line segments, AB and CD, and we have this point right here on this line. Our job is to construct a line segment that has length AB plus CD and a line segment that has length AB minus CD. So let's start by copying the length of AB again using our compass. So one end on B, one end on A. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this right here and just draw a circle. My line segment isn't big enough to make the circle hit the line at another point, but that's okay for now. So we have basically the segment of a circle. So since we copied this length AB using how a circle works, so every point on the circle is the same distance away from the center, and that distance is the radius. The radius of this circle is AB. So this length right here is AB. Now what we're going to do at this point where the circle hits a line is we're going to copy CD, and we're going to draw a circle CD. So let's draw this. Oops, that came a bit off the line. Let's just go like this. Around here, and we don't need the full circle. This would be enough because we have this hitting the line at 2 points. So let's call this point M, and let's call this point N. Alright, so first from here to here we said was AB earlier. Now from here to here is then CD because we created a circle with radius CD. So let's call this point P. The distance PM equals AB plus CD, because this is AB and this is CD. So PM equals AB plus CD. And let's get the lines on top here. Now we have AB here from P to, let's call this O. PO is length AB. But then we go backwards a length CD right here, because this is length CD. So this means PN is length AB minus CD. So right here, this is how you do it. So we have length AB plus CD, PM, and PN is length AB minus CD. So these are the two constructions that we're going to do today. Thank you so much for watching the first episode of Crazy Constructions. I'll see you in the next episode where we're going to learn how to construct an equilateral triangle.